Hey, so I'm Hagen, and this is um, the first part of Project 4 for QM238. For my first question, the first thing I did for the project was import pandas as PD. That's the only library I've needed so far. I've then read the Excel file and then saved it as a data frame. So I did the data frame equals pandas.read underscore CSV function. Then I plugged in the given CSV file, or the first one, which was online retail.csv. Um, we were given an Excel file, but I went ahead and converted it to a CSV file. I then display the data frame, as you can see here. I got a statistical summary of the data, so which includes count, how many different entries there are in each attribute, what's the mean of each statistical attribute, what's the standard deviation, the minimum, the first quartile, the median, the third quartile, and the max. I then did df.dtypes to get the different data types. As you can see here, the invoice number, the stock code, the description, the invoice date, and the country were all categorical. The quantity, the unit price, and the customer ID were all binary. I then checked for any missing values by using the .isNull.sum function. And as you can see here, there were 1,454 different missing values in the description attribute, and then 135,080 different missing values within the customer IDs. I went ahead and dropped these missing values by using the df.dropNA function. I then made sure that all the missing values were dropped by redoing the .isNull.sum function. I then checked for any duplicate values by using the .duplicated.sum function. As you can see here, there were 5,225 different duplicate rows being dropped. I did the df.drop_duplicates function and went ahead and dropped those duplicates to make sure that there were no more. I then did the .duplicated.sum function just to make sure there were no more missing values, and there weren't. So my next steps for question 1 of the project will be to check for and remove any outliers, make a scatter plot or something else to visualize the data, use the elbow method, apply clustering, and then get error scores. So then I moved on to question 2 for now. I did the same thing. I did pd.read CSV function and then plugged in the given CSV file. This time it was house price data. I then displayed the data frame by using just df. I then did a statistical summary of the data by using the .describe function. And as you can see here, I got all of this same statistical summary as I did before, such as count, mean, which is average, standard deviation, minimum value, first quartile, median, third quartile, and then maximum value. I checked the different data types, and in this CSV file, all the attributes are binary. So that made it easy. I then checked for any missing values by using the .isNull.sum function, and as you can see, there were no missing values. I then checked for duplicate values by using the .duplicated.sum function, and there were only 7 duplicate rows. Then I dropped those 7 duplicate rows by using the .drop duplicates function. Then I went ahead and made sure that all the duplicates were dropped by using the .duplicated.sum function again, and they were. So the same thing for question 1. My next steps will be to check for outliers in this data, make a scatter plot or something else to visualize the data, use the elbow method to see how many clusters I need, then apply clustering based on the elbow method, and then get my error scores for the clustering. Thank you.